The PURE project is about the manufacturing of biopharmaceuticals, and we are focusing particularly in the bioseparation steps.
Biopharmaceuticals are very complex and very large comparing with the traditional pharmaceutical drugs. Nowadays, the biopharmaceuticals are widely used and target specific and well tolerated by the patients. They are producing in the living cells or microorganisms, and we induce the living cells to produce this substance of interest.
After we have produced this material, we have to harvest and purify it. This is also called downstream processing. And this is one of the most expensive parts in the manufacturing of biopharmaceuticals. In the biopharmaceutical manufacturing, we use a lot of material which is made with eternal chemicals, which last forever and pollute our earth.
So what we really want to do is to turn the purification of these biopharmaceuticals more eco-friendly and also more productive.
So this project is fascinating for me because it's highly interdisciplinary. So we have different backgrounds of the scientists, from biology to chemistry to material science. And of course, the final idea is to bring these different backgrounds together to get to a final product.
This is about turning a great idea into a success, and this is only possible because we have a great team and we are all contributing to the success of PURE.